Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a phenomenal weekend. And as we go ahead and take a look here into early in the week, I was debating on what I wanted to share with you guys tonight because there's so many things that I want to share. And so I thought, in looking at this, in hearing about people's successes, in hearing about people's struggles, it just got me thinking, what I really want to do here is try to have a little class with you and kind of get back to some of the key things that you guys need to know, in my humble opinion, to go ahead and make 2024 a phenomenal opportunity of a year. And the reality is there's so much risk in these markets, but there's also so many opportunities in the markets. But you got to know when to push, you got to know when to step aside. You got to know some things to look at here. And because in hindsight, it all looks so easy. But that's what's exciting about how all the things I've showed you, like in foresight, that then happened, and the things I've taught you then turn around and play out. And so what I want to do is I want to get back to some of those core basics again. What happens when you see like this, little pink dot for a magenta dot here, for instance, and we're above this little cloud looking thing and this green thing right here. What do we do? When do we do it? How do we like look at that? All these different types of things here. It's like, well, if you miss the original opportunities, where can I look for a re-entry? What would that look like? When the market's sitting up here and we're just kind of quote unquote drifting sideways, are there any opportunities? What would the trades look like? How do I go ahead and trade that from a day trade and a swing trade perspective? And so what I thought was, let's go ahead and do a class on this. And so what we're going to do is Hubert and myself are going to get together and do a class this Thursday morning at 10 o'clock Eastern. So go ahead, clear your schedule to be a part of that and be a part of a special group and a wonderful group of people. And I'm looking forward to having you a part of that because I want to answer those questions, look at the strategies from my perspective that made my 2023 the best year in modern memory for me, and reignite that passion inside of you to see the things that I'm seeing, and I just want you guys to have the best year possible. And so let's go ahead and join me. If you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, you can go up there and then just go down here where it's this little blue bar right here and register. I want to go ahead and have you guys at this special event Thursday morning. I think it would be great. Any touch points that I can get with you to try to simplify this process and also hopefully take you to a much bigger level in your future trading and investing activities, I want to take that opportunity. So I will go ahead and see you there Thursday morning, 10 o'clock Eastern. Probably be 90 minutes to 2 hours or so together. And I'll be speaking, he will be speaking, we'll be speaking together and everything. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go and then click on the little blue button here to go ahead and get registered to see me there. All right. I can't wait to see you there. Hope to really, take some of the things that we've been doing like in our mastermind group, share some of the things, try to position things a little bit different for you to hopefully connect with you in a different way on this very special event. Okay, so becomeabettertrader.com/go. I will see you here Thursday morning for this very special event for active day and swing traders. Take care, everyone. See you shortly. Bye bye for now.